Prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between two other nearby words. Example: a boy from the ghetto. Here, the preposition from tells us the relationship between ghetto and boy. There are two kinds of prepositions: simple prepositions, compound prepositions, or complex prepositions. Simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are words like at, for, in, off, on, over, and under. These common prepositions can be used to describe a location, time, or place. Examples: he sat on the chair. There is some milk in the fridge. She was hiding under the table. Compound prepositions. Compound prepositions, or complex prepositions, consist of two or more words, usually a simple preposition and another word, to convey location. Examples: she sat across from Marie. I attended a meeting on behalf of my company. We were in the middle of the storm. Placing of prepositions. A preposition is usually placed before a noun or pronoun. I was looking for this book. Book is noun. Rabia was speaking to me. Me is pronoun. Sometimes, however, if we change the position of a preposition, the form of a pronoun changes. To whom were you talking? But who were you talking to? Here the pronoun whom has become who. Sometimes, if we change the position of a preposition, a pronoun has to be omitted. The house in which he lives is very big, which is pronoun. The house he lives in is very big, which is omitted. Omission of prepositions. He gave the pen to Amir. He gave Amr the pen. Here we place the indirect object, Amr, immediately after the verb, gave. The preposition, to, is omitted.